Here we go. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Jordan. This is the Supreme Spring Summer 2019 week 1 unboxing slash haul. Is that like the same thing? I don't know. Got this dope Polaroid I got from Forever 21 and I got this Supreme beanie on. It goes Supreme all the way around. I got a few items. This one, this one, this one. Multiple packages. I ordered on Monday the 25th and I got one of the packages on the 27th and the other package the 1st. Let's get started. See, I gotta keep pulling this hat down so it doesn't look dumb on me. Let's open this one first. Where'd my scissors go? Brooklyn, New York. Gotta be careful. Okay, I gotta show you guys that it's like legit. Oh, okay. I want to do that. No. Ooh. Gotta make sure there's nothing else in the bag before I throw it out. Supreme bag. Ooh. Ooh, Keisha. Oh, cool. They put the stickers in like a bag. I got the cool fronts grill and the like little apple fruit tag sticker and a box logo. Not bad. Ooh! I got the shower cap as a free gift. Pretty cool. It says shower cap. Spring Summer 2019. It's in there. How cool. I got the Supreme Master Lock. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Set and reset your own combination. Spot lit. Let's see. I don't actually know. Oh, it's really small. It looks way bigger online. But it's like a nightlight. You can put on your keys. You can put on your coat. Like on your zipper. You can put on your dog's collar. Sweet, sweet. Supreme dish towels. Red, blue, and black. Set of 3. I'm so excited. 3 things, the shower cap and the stickers. Box number 2. Supreme bag. Yo, I got 2 shower caps. And then the same stickers that fell off the item. Fronts, Granny Smith fruit tag and a box logo. This came off the bottom of this guy. The wider bottle. Ooh, she's thick. But this was on the bottom of it. I think I'm just gonna keep it off, but ooh, look it. Thick. Please focus. Supreme SIGG of Switzerland. SIG. Nice. This bags feel different, cheaper, I would say. I don't know. They're pretty sure they're different, but that's okay. This one's very long, so you can kind of guess what it is. I've never gotten one before, so I'm kind of stoked to hang it up. Never bought one before, ever. I was thinking about getting like the chicken dinner one, but this one I really liked. Okay, that's pretty cool that they have bags made. I know it's the skateboarding like company, but that's pretty cool. Ooh. A shower cap just fell on the floor. I got 3 shower caps. If you could see my finger, it's giving you the middle finger. But nothing else in that bag. This is a cool bag. So it's the first time getting one of these bags. But no stickers, but the shower cap fell on the floor. Keisha. Ooh. There's a Supreme sticker in there. But wha-bam! How dope is that? I love the floral. It's so springy. This is pretty cool. on Monday morning. The releases are at 7 a.m. Anchorage, Alaska time. I woke up at like 6:55 and put everything in my cart right at 7, and I was checked out by 7:01. And I added everything, and I added the I make shit happen pin, and it came up as 0. And then 15 minutes later, it disappeared off the whole entire site. And then maybe like half an hour later, it came up as $8. So I guess they caught that and didn't send me the pin at all. And that's kind of lame, but this is one of the best Supreme hauls I have gotten, especially week 1. You'd think it'd be like super like hype because there's like so many accessories come out at first, and accessories are really popular, but like the crew neck, the formula crew neck, like sold out in I think like 60 seconds or so. But I'm happy with all my accessories. I'm really happy that I got 3 shower caps. Probably give one to Tyler and then sell one of them. I got the skate deck, the lock, the little keychain, the water bottle, and the dish towels. So 5 things, 3 shower caps, 2 sticker sets. I am one happy camper. That is my unboxing. This is my true unboxing. I just unopened it all right now. Live reactions. I'm stoked. Sorry this video was like plain and simple. I can't really hear, so sorry if I'm talking loud because this hat is blocking my ears. But if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. I will probably be purchasing not too much more this season, but I will definitely try for a few more accessories because I'm feeling confident in my fast checkout skills. See you guys later.